Budibase applications are single-page applications that are made up of a single screen or multiple screens. Once you've got the data, it's time to start designing the screen. When you first arrive in the Design tab, you can click on this button to add a screen. That creates a blank screen with the URL /home. When I publish this application, I can now navigate to /home and I'll see that blank page. As it stands, it's not very interesting. So let's add something more. On the left-hand side, we have screens, components, navigation, and theme. Let's go to the screens and click Add Screen. Now, I can add another blank screen, like my home screen, or I can auto-generate some screens, which I'll go ahead and do now. When I auto-generate screens, I have to give the data source that I want to generate from. So let's do it from Appointments and click Confirm. I next have to decide what the minimum access role of user that should be allowed to view and interact with these screens should be. I'll leave this basic, but you can see I could also have admin, power, or public. Now what that will do is it will add screens for the ability to create new appointments, look at all the current appointments, and look at, update, and delete any individual appointment. There are 3 separate screens achieving all of that work. Let's preview our application now. I'll click on the Appointments link, which the Autogenerator has added to our navigation, and I can see I land on the page that shows all of the appointment data in a paginated table. This is at /appointments and is reading straight from our data source. I can click on the Create New, which will bring me to a page where I can create a new appointment. I can create that appointment, save it, and that will be immediately available in my table. I can click on View beside each of the appointments, which will bring me into a page for that appointment, /appointments /its ID. From here, I can see the individual appointment and update it. When I save it, I can go back and see that it's been updated in the main table. I can also delete the appointment from this individual page, deleting the row from our table. If you have your data source, and all you want to do is to create a nice UI to be able to create, read, update, and delete records from your table, then the auto-generated screens are perfect for your needs. If you have a more complicated design with some custom logic that you want to build, then you can start from a blank screen, or you can enhance the auto screens so that the app that you create is exactly what you need for your users in the office or on the shop floor.